Hello everybody, let me show you my project which I have done and developed. As you can see here I have human anatomy body, everything is to detail. Here is muscle and we can play the simulation. As you can see it starts to work and I have reached many layers. As you can see here we can switch and add, for example, the human skin, and as you can see here we can put clothes. Now clothes is on, everything seems to be reached, and you can change also the clothes which we have here. As you can see, stop, blazer off, you can take off sneakers and jeans, and also camisole. And here as you can see we can switch off the human. We can attach the skeleton. You can see the skeleton is attached. Again we can switch the clothes back, sneakers, blazer, camisole and t-shirt on. As you can see it's fully working. The model looks like this, and here we have more layers. Let's start to switch off the layers which we have attached to the rig, to the controller. Okay, let's first switch the clothes and the human. So you can see here we have nice muscles, and we can switch off the muscles. We see the skeleton nicely moving, also with veins. You can switch off the skeleton. Exoskeleton, yes, it's off. As you can see, you can see the details. Also switch off the skeleton, and here is simple moving the organs with veins. You can switch off veins like this, and see or put veins back. The skeleton and also the exoskeleton to see how it's working, how it's moving, and that's how it is. And to see how it looks like the render, I will switch off the animations for you. You can also put here the skin transparent, which is nice, and change the rendering mode. As you can see, it looks like very nice for render or for picture or for your project. You can download my model and switch also. As you can see, it looks like nice. The muscles looks like also a really beautiful picture. Switch of the exoskeleton, it's really nice. Yeah. Okay, have a nice time, and if you want you can share and download on CGTTrader. Okay guys, have a nice time. See you, bye.